People spend so much time of their lives crafting and polishing a perfect experience for everyone to enjoy.
And then people like you won't appreciate it and give enough value to it. You did not pay for the work I just did. You stole my hours of work. This may come as something narcissistic to say, but you are such a scumbag.